back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. This is your girl J Simone, and today's video is going to be a unboxing video slash product review slash wash day. Background. So today is my wash day. I'm gonna wash my hair, but I got my package today from the Curlbox. I'm gonna put it right there. The Curlbox, basically, it's a dope thing. I'm still trying to get on the list. So basically, you pay $20 a month and they'll send you a box of new products every month to try. Black owned as well. But the thing is, you have to catch the list when it comes out. So I haven't been able to get on that list yet, but they do have unsubscribed boxes where you can purchase a box that's not on their subscribe list. So that's what I did. I purchased their TRACEE ELLIS Ross hair product called the Pattern. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, Pattern. So they had a sale going on. Y'all know I had to purchase it because I love a good deal. That's what this video is about today. I don't know what products is in there, so hopefully it's some type of products that I can wash my hair with, because what's the point of me, you know, doing this? Huh? But whatever. Hopefully it's some conditioner, some leave-in conditioner, maybe some shampoo or styling gel. So we're gonna see right now. It's a little heavy, so let's go ahead and open it. Oh, we got a detangling brush. Ooh, this is cute. Nice little packaging. It says a shower brush detangles and help curls find each other. Okay, I like that. I like that. Now let's go to the main attraction. This is what it looks like. Pink, girly, Curlbox. Curlbox, let me get on the list. I've been trying this month. I'm gonna be on it. I'm gonna set my alarm to be on the list. It opens at 9 o'clock in the morning when they do subscriptions, and I miss it every time. What's wrong with me? Okay, TRACEE, this is hair goals right here. This is hair goals, okay? Hair goals. Hey, girlfriend. Follow us on Instagram. Okay, girlfriend. Okay. This just, I guess it's just telling you what's in the box. Shampoo, conditioner, looks like a leave-in, and hair serum. Ooh. Okay, so let's see. Happy birthday, TRACEE ELLIS Ross. Yo, look at this. This is huge. Oh, I'm gonna have to look online and see how much this one particularly costs, because y'all, this stuff is expensive. Like, a lot of her stuff is like $45 for like a little conditioner or leave-in. It's like $25. This box was $25 with shipping, so it was $20, and then with shipping it was $25. You can't beat that. Shout out to the Curlbox. Look, hey, I am excited. Look at this. This is huge. 13 ounces. What the heck? This is huge. This is the medium conditioner for curlies. Now, okay, we got a little hair clip. This is so cute. This is probably like $9 on her website. I'm gonna check it out. I got this. Free. All right, next. Yo, hair serum. Nice. Let me see if I can smell it. Smells pretty good. Smells like lemon. Smells very like it's gonna grow my hair. Look at that. Yeah, so excited. And then this is the shampoo. This is what I need, y'all. Wash day. We got the shampoo, we got the conditioner, and then the last thing is leave-in conditioner. Yes. Yes. Yo, I'm about to have fun. I'm about to have fun with this. Leave-in, defining, moisturize. Let's smell it. Oh, it has a little thingy on it. I don't really have a huge smell to it. It actually smells like a hotel soap. So that is the box. Let me put it back in the box so you guys can see everything. Come on, TRACEE. Literally got all of this stuff for $25. Y'all, I love a good bargain. I am very conservative when it comes to money and how I spend my money and what I spend my money on. And if I feel like this is not worth me paying for, I'm not going to get it. I don't care what it is. But this right here, I like it. I love how they find a black owned hair product to send to the amazing, beautiful women of color. And one day I'm gonna be on that list. One day. But guess what? This right here, I'm good. I'm good. All right, enough all that talking. Let's just go ahead and get to taming this beast, all right? Y'all, so I already went ahead and wet my hair so it's completely soaked. Now we're gonna apply the shampoo. Hydration Gentle Cleanse. One thing about a shampoo that I like is if you can detangle your hair while shampooing your hair, it's a good shampoo, because a lot of shampoos you can't do that. Hopefully I can detangle my hair while shampooing this. And it got the smell is it's not as appealing as I thought it would be. You know, we gotta have some good smelling hair natural products now. Come on now. Come on, TRACEE. But that's the only thing so far that I have about it. I like how I didn't have to put that much shampoo on it to get it soapy. Some products you have to put a lot on it to start seeing results. Oh, I didn't even realize that I'm detangling my hair. Yes, I love it. Come on with it. If you can detangle your hair using shampoo, it's really the GOAT. That's what I like to see in a shampoo. Can you detangle it? Does it get sudsy and bubbly fast? Does it take a lot of shampoo to use that? Because shampoo, you don't want to put too much shampoo on your hair. So I like to use a small amount of shampoo, just enough to clean it. All right, so I'm gonna finish detangling it and cleaning it. I'll be back once I wash it out to do the conditioner. Now we're going to get into the conditioner for curlies. This right here is huge. It's bigger than my head. Look at this. I know that's right, TRACEE. I know that's right. Because the girls use a lot of conditioner, okay? This is how my Aussie look. This is how pattern look. Come on, you need a big conditioner. I love how it's bigger than the actual size of everything else. I love that, honey. Okay, this kind of smells better. It kind of smells like a flower. I just don't know which flower. It smells like a rose, kind of. Now, I'm gonna use a lot of this conditioner. I like how it's so smooth. It's so smooth. It's creamy. I love a good creamy conditioner. All right, so if I have to rate this conditioner, I like it. One of my favorite conditioners is the Aussie. Kind of reminded me of the Aussie conditioner. That's a plus for this. Let me just twist it up this side while I do the other side. So I am going to deep condition my hair, but I'm going to be using the 3-Minute Miracle from Aussie. So I'm going to rinse this conditioner out, deep condition my hair, and then we're going to try the leave-in conditioner. Just want to show you all these curls using the conditioner. Get into it. All right, now I'm really going to finish washing this out, and I'll be right back. Bye. Alright guys, so I'm back. Before I do any type of styling, I wanted to tell you guys how much these products are on the website. So for the brush, this brush right here, very sturdy, is very thick, and also I didn't use this brush. You're supposed to use this brush while conditioning your hair. So that's what the instructions say. It says use shower brush to gently work conditioner through hair starting at the ends and working towards the roots. I didn't do that. I'm saving it to use this when I put the leave-in conditioner in my hair, because I heard that the leave-in conditioner isn't as thick as it should be, but I'm gonna see myself, so that's why I'm waiting. This can be the detangling brush I need to define my curls, since I heard that the leave-in conditioner isn't as thick as it should be. Anyways, the price of this brush is $17. $17. Good Lord, Jesus. I mean, it's real nice and all, but it could have been at least like $6 or something. But it's real nice, firm, sturdy, you know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna break. If you drop it, ain't gonna break. Them tough curls, them tough kinks in your hair, it ain't gonna, you know how like some detangling brushes, it slide up. I don't think it's gonna do that, but we're gonna try it. Let's move on. Okay, so for the serum, the hair serum, it's right here. The jojoba oil, whatever it's called. This is $25. I don't know how I feel about that. It depends on how good it works. I'll have to see. We'll, I guess, decide on if I would pay $25 for this in a second. Every product that I get is under $10. No, under $15. I barely do $10. And my hair is perfectly fine. But to each his own. Back to this, I just don't think it's worth $25, only because I had better conditioners that was less money. It's a good conditioner. I'm not going to say it's not a good conditioner, but it's not worth $25. Hydration shampoo, now this is $20. No. It worked good. It didn't leave my hair dry. I would say that it did not leave my hair dry after I washed it out. It actually was kind of moisturized a little bit. I didn't have to use much to get it sudsy. I didn't have to do that. I heard that on YouTube, this girl said that she used a lot of shampoo to just get it sudsy. That wasn't my case. Like, I just used a couple of drops and my hair was very sudsy. So that's one thing I can say about that. Moving on, and mind you, on her website, she have a lot of different type of shampoos and conditioners, mediums, heavy, light. She do have a lot of different kinds, so go check that out. And then last but not least is the leave-in. The leave-in conditioner is $25 as well, so most of them is $25, $20 to $25. The clip is $10. Now let me tell y'all, so this is a deluxe shower bundle. So on her website, the price of this deluxe shower bundle, it says marked off. It was $141. It's on sale, I guess, for $126. 6 products for $126. What? I got this box for $25. If that ain't no deal, if that ain't no deal, I don't know what is. Shout out to the Curlbox. Y'all really did that. Honestly, I wouldn't have paid for any of this. I always wanted to try her hair product. I do want to try some other stuff, like some styling creams, some styling gels of hers, but I'm not gonna pay for it. So Curlbox, if you're watching this, we need another box with like stylers, you know. If they got it, hook your girl up. I want to try it. Overall, products that I use so far isn't that bad, but I wouldn't pay for it because I have products that I can get from Walmart for the same quality. Let's just go ahead right to the leave-in conditioner. Apply to soaking wet conditioned hair evenly to all strands. Pro tip, cocktail in a few drops of the pattern argan oil serum. I don't have that one, I have the other one. Let's do that. This is the consistency of it. Oh wait, I should have wet my hair first. Let me just apply it and then put some water on it. And then it says use some of the oil. Now we're gonna use this brush, see what it's talking about. It says start from the roots and then work your way up. Work your way up, work your way up. It's very sturdy. Like, no matter how kinky your hair is, oh, this ain't going nowhere. This ain't flying nowhere. Okay. So, I mean, I like it. The smell, of course, isn't the best smell, but as far as the consistency, it's not bad. It's really light. I feel like the leave-in conditioner, it just works to keep your hair hydrated. Look at that. I like that. I like it. I like it. I like it. I am gonna add some styling gel to my hair. Hopefully this mix, I'm gonna use my Blueberry Bliss cream from Curls. I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna use the Butter Smooth Curl Butter Gel Soft Hold. Hopefully this mix. I'm scared. Oh, I'm scared. We could at least have some styling jet in there for the girl, but it's okay. No clump. That's good. I'm gonna do the twist out. And then I'll probably leave it in overnight and take it out in the morning. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. This is definitely a demi brush. Like, this is definitely the ultimate demi brush. So I'm just gonna twist my hair. Yeah, I don't have any negative thing to say about, any real negative thing to say about this leave-in, is except that the smell of these products, like I would have thought they smell like lemon or something like. All right guys, so I'm just gonna finish twisting my hair and then I'll come back and finish going over the review with you guys, because you know how to twist your own hair, right? Yeah, so that's all I'm doing. I'll be right back once I'm finished twisting my hair. Okay guys, my twist is all done. They're super hydrated, super moisturized. So I'm gonna let you guys take a look at it. Oh, 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 you know I had to put the perm rods at the end. 1 out of 10, I give it a the products are really expensive. I know a celebrity behind these products, but other than that, I give these products and this Curlbox, well not the Curlbox, I give the Curlbox a 10 out of 10. But as far as the product, I give them a 7 out of 10. That's not too bad. If I don't get to show you guys the final look of how these twists came out, I'm so sorry, but I'll probably take a picture of it. But other than that, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, if you like how the product turned out on my hair, give it a 2 thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. What you waiting on, girl? And I will see you on the next video. Maybe not.
My heart is sad and lonely. Yo.